One picture here.
Yeah, she's coming here.
Okay. Right. Seven. Thank you.
Good. It's taken 20.
Yeah.
Yeah. Done?
Thank you.
Should be good, right? Thank you.
तो एकदम राइट थोड़ा तो एकदम स्ट्रेट इधर इधर
Thank you.
शर्मिला मैम दोनों से जानना चाहेंगे क्लिनिक प्लस के इस एनजीओ की कॉज को दोनों आप सपोर्ट करने आए हैं तो समथिंग अबाउट द कॉज टू स्टार्ट
You go first.
Well, I'm very excited to be here because it's an opportunity, because it's a mother-daughter event today. It's an opportunity for me to get my mother over here from Delhi and to support a cause that we both believe in, which is something that is backed by Clinic Plus and by Plan India, which is rural education for the girl child. So that's something that we've been involved with in various capacities with various organizations over the past 10 years for me. So we're very excited. It's something we believe in, as I said, and when it comes to education, I can certainly say that no stone was left unturned in terms of my ambitions, the universities I wanted to go to, the courses I wanted to study, even if it was history, which doesn't really lead to any particular job unless you want to teach history. But still, my parents helped me and supported me and financed my education. When I wanted to do my master's after that, they were fully behind me. There was no distinction made between my brother or my education. So I feel that if we can reach out to other mothers, and we know that through mothers, values are passed down through families. So if we can appeal to other mothers, and especially in rural areas through Plan International and Plan India, helping, I think, especially young girls not drop out of school between the standards of 7 and 10 and up to 12. There tends to be a lot of dropouts. So if we encourage them not to do that and to create alternative sources of income for the parents such that they don't have to take their children out of school to work for them or to help support the family, then that would be one way, I think, of really helping women to achieve their goals and empowering young girls.
मैम आपसे जानना चाहेंगे इस कॉज क्या लगा आपको कि आपको लगा कि आपको जुड़ना चाहिए इस कॉज से?
जैसे सुहा कह रही थी, मैं बिल्कुल सहमत हूँ, क्योंकि बहुत ज़रूरी है, इफ़ यू रियली वांट टू एम्पावर a girl child, then education is the only way. I firmly believe in that. Or Clinic Plus or Plan India together, they are working towards it. Bihar mein they have got 4 areas where they are concentrating. Sorry, I beg your pardon. Yes, in UP they are in 4 areas they are concentrating on the girl child so that they don't drop out of school. Because without education, and जैसे कहावत है कि अगर आप जब एक लड़के को एजुकेशन देते हैं तो सिर्फ उसका फ़ायदा होता है. When you teach a girl, she teaches the family. So you are reaching out, that education is going, other places. You're helping a lot of people. So I think it's very important, and I have, as Swa कह रही थी, यूनिसेफ के साथ और प्लान इंटरनेशनल के साथ भी हमने काम की. सो इसी एरिया में गर्ल चाइल्ड एंड एजुकेशन एंड गर्ल्स विमेंस एम्पावरमेंट, सो दीज आर द एरियाज. And I think I really congratulate Clinic Plus for coming out, because this is the, if you say one thing, you know, बाकी और कुछ ना करो, सिर्फ एक चीज़ करना है, तो मैं कहूँगी ये करिए, एजुकेशन, और ज़्यादातर गर्ल चाइल्ड एजुकेशन, बिकॉज क्लास 8 के बाद द गर्ल चाइल्ड ड्रॉप्स आउट ऑफ स्कूल, एंड मैनी वजह है, क्योंकि टॉयलेट्स नहीं हैं, उसके लिए द चाइल्ड लीव्स स्कूल, और दूर होते हैं, सो इट्स सेफ नहीं है, तो काफ़ी वजह है, और शादी अर्ली मैरिज कर देते हैं लोग, तो फैमिलीज़, तो ये सब है, तो अवेयरनेस क्रिएट करना, उनको बताना कि, सो आई थिंक क्लिनिक प्लस इज़ डूइंग अ ग्रेट थिंग.
Ma'am, as you said that, you know, girl child is, of course, a girl child and girl education is very important. But then when you concentrate on individual family and
जी.
family structure, एक mother का कितना important role हो जाता है to, you know, push the child or, you know, break those
बहुत
family
ही
barriers and.
बहुत ही अहम रोल है, और बिकॉज इफ द वुमन herself is educated, like we valued our daughter's education because I value education, and my mother she valued her education. She she wanted to do her English honors, but she had to do it privately because her mama, she had lost her mother. If her mother had been alive, it would have been different, but she didn't have a mother, and her mama didn't allow her to go to the co-ed. She was not allowed to go to a co-ed, so she had to do her MA privately. But she did her MA in English those days. So we have always valued education. She learned from Tagore also. She went to Shantiniketan. So and we were 3 daughters. I don't have a brother. So my father never made me feel that, you know, that he wished he had a son. We never grew up like that. So we were given equal opportunities. So it came to us very naturally to educate our daughters. So they've been given an, you know, equal opportunity as Saif, and she chose to join films, but she's done her masters and everything. So I think education is very important, and definitely mother's role is important. And if the mother is educated herself, then she will value, and then the whole world opens up. Because if you're educated, then you understand that you don't want to marry young, you don't want to have children young, you want to space your children. So many things become easier because you are educated.
So would you, after having said that, would you certify that education is the most important thing for a girl child?
I would say it is certainly the most empowering thing for anybody, especially the girl child, because you know, there were surveys done just by the UN last year saying that to be born a girl in India is one of the most dangerous places to be born, and it's really dangerous for a woman from before being born. Female feticide, female infanticide, sati, all sorts of violence against
Dowry.
women is perpetrated, dowry deaths, you know, so it's difficult. I know that my existence is very privileged in comparison to a lot of the women out there. So I would say, especially for them, as it has been for me, that's the real distinguishing factor. This is a country with a lot of disparity economically, socially. A lot of women become prime ministers and presidents, but on the other hand, many of them are disenfranchised and unempowered. Education, I think, will help to bridge that difference more than anything else.
And the decision making, because women are not part of the decision making, so they have to be part of the decision making of the family, and that is empowerment. And without education, you cannot really achieve that. So, yeah, education. Without education, it's very difficult.
So माँ से माँ और माँ से मजबूती, इस लाइन से कितना इत्तेफाक रखती है आप?
मैं बिल्कुल सहमत हूँ इस लाइन से माँ और माँ से मजबूती, क्योंकि मुझे बहुत सारा सपोर्ट मिला है मेरी माँ की तरफ से, और जो कुछ मैं अपनी लाइफ के लिए चाहती थी उसमें अम्मा ने पूरा उनका हाथ दिया है, सपोर्ट दिया है। एजुकेशन के मामले में तो 100%, लेकिन उसे छोड़कर भी करियर चॉइसेस जो मैंने की हैं, ये मेरा तीसरा प्रोफेशन है अभी, और कभी उन्होंने, अम्मा और अब्बा दोनों ने कहा कि हम आपको एजुकेशन देना चाहते हैं, उसके बाद जो फैसले आप लेना चाहते हैं, लाइफ चॉइसेस, वो आपकी हैं, हम आपके लिए बिल्कुल हैं यहाँ पे गाइड करने के लिए, लेकिन फैसले आप खुद लीजिए, क्योंकि वही पर्पस है शिक्षा का। और अगर आप फिल्म में काम करना चाहते हैं, दे वर नॉट overjoyed with that decision. लेकिन वो इस टाइप की फैमिली नहीं है जो वो कहेंगे खबरदार या आप ये नहीं कर सकते हैं. Because they've empowered their children to make choices for themselves. And they've always been very supportive. We've had disagreements, absolutely. We've disagreed on many things. But I think that's a testament to, it's very difficult to be a parent, but I give Amma full credit because I think one of the most difficult things to do is to bring up a child. Because at some point you have to let them make their own decisions, and yet you have to influence them and guide them in many ways. So it's a very fine balance. And you can dominate someone, and many children turn out in all different ways. But I think I turned out quite well.
So, what is the most, what makes a mother-daughter bond the strongest?
Labor pain. I have to, that must be it, right?
No, after that.
Okay, after that. I think it's that every mother obviously loves their child hugely. You carry this child in your womb for 9 months. You feel it kicking inside you. You deliver it. You cut this umbilical cord. You allow him or her to grow and become another person, which involves huge sacrifice as well. So I think it's that whole process. It's a biological, come sociological, come psychological process, which I haven't been through myself. But it's also cyclical. It's a mother is a daughter, as a mother is a daughter, and you pass on these things to your child, who you spend so much time with. So I think that it's a very special bond, and really there are no words. And also it's interesting because children rebel against that bond, and everyone would have gone through a phase where they're furious with their mother and they're embarrassed by their mother and they don't want their mothers to come inside the school, just drop me outside. And then you get over that phase and then you become close again. And so it's something that's really beyond description, I think.
Just one last thing, both of you mentioned, so far you politically mentioned that there have been women presidents and prime ministers.